Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, park the Cadillac Ats on level pavement, set the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels so the car cannot roll. Next, remove the center cap or hubcap and loosen the front lug nuts one turn while the wheel remains on the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning when raised. Locate the correct jacking point, usually the reinforced pinch weld or specified lift pad near the front control arm, to protect rocker panels and suspension. Once the jack is positioned, pump it slowly and steadily until the front wheel lifts about 1 to 2 inches off the ground. You want smooth, controlled movement so the suspension unloads evenly. Make sure the jack head sits square and that the vehicle is stable before lowering onto a jack stand. Place the stand under the manufacturer-specified support, then lower the vehicle so the chassis rests firmly. Make sure both the jack and stand share load briefly, then remove the floor jack. With the car supported, remove the wheel and complete your repair or inspection. When reinstalling the wheel, thread lug nuts by hand and snug them in a star pattern to seat the rotor. Once hand-tight, raise the car slightly with the floor jack to clear the jack stand, remove the stand, then lower the car slowly until the tire meets the ground. Finally, torque the lug nuts to the Cadillac specification. If you detect wobble or vibration afterwards, recheck torque.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.